Nigerian Genius.
My name is Bensto Destiny.
I'm David Okinwa. This is Team UNN. This morning, our brain teaser was to draw with our eyes closed. Yeah, that's right. So, as engineers, we're asked to draw a Vernier Caliper with our eyes closed and showing 4 major features on it, and we're able to do that. Although it's not as perfect as it would be if we had our eyes opened, but with our eyes closed, we're able to draw the shape showing the features of the Vernier Caliper.
This task is a blindfold drawing challenge. You would draw blindfolded. The beautiful thing is that it's a tool you use as engineers or as future engineers. I mean, you've already been trained to be that. And that's a caliper. And there'll be 4 major things that I must find, or we must find in your drawing. First one is the upper jaws, usually used for internal measurements, the lower jaws for external measurements, the depth rod, and the lock screw. 3 minutes to make that mental drawing.
And that shows a lot of things. Firstly, it shows to me that we need to have vision, even as we see physically, which is very important for engineers. We need to have vision, we need to see with our mind's eye, because the Vernier Caliper was in our mind and we were drawing it on paper. And next, we should be able to map coordinates of things, even to have a sense of coordinates, even without seeing per se. We should be able to know when we have gone this distance, 1 meter, 2 meters, and so on and so forth.
Naya shared a little bit with us, trying to make us understand the power of vision, the power of being able to recreate things just by having thoughts in your mind. Because she made us to understand that a lot of times as engineers, as inventors, as problem solvers, ideas will come to us as visions. And so it is important that visions alone will be able to clearly define things that we see in our mind. And then we had a word with the CEO of CIC, CLINTONEL Innovation Centre. He tried as much as possible to know about our comfort and how the program was going, to try to follow up on us in terms of progress towards our project. And he continued to remind us the vision, the goal of the program.
We are looking forward to the innovations, inventions, products that will emerge from this challenge that each of the schools here will build. We are looking forward to great things from Lautech, from UNN, from Futoke, and then from Futmina. Your schools are looking forward to you. The whole country is watching you and looking forward to, I'm praying for you and hoping and praying hard that this team of geniuses in the CLINTONEL Advanced Engineering Centre, that they will succeed in solving Nigeria's toughest engineering and manufacturing challenges. Thank you and have a lovely day.
We did molding, casting, where we were asked to mold a shape with sand mixed with grease, and clay. And then after that,